Okay, this is Subi, and it needs some headlight. Ooh, where are you? It's right here. So, well, you know what? Let's go ahead and turn them on really quick so I can show you guys. High beam, it does work. Low beam, nothing. On both of them. Okay? So, remove this guy. Oops. Try this one. Alright, so here is the light bulb on the passenger side. Let's go ahead and switch my light. Alright. Okay, now we can see a lot better. So unplug this connector right here. Maybe. Maybe not. Okay, I'll go grab some tool then. Okay, I got this. I'm gonna press the tab right here, and I'm gonna use this tool to help it push it out. Still no? Uh-oh. Why not? Are you that complicated, Subaru? Huh. Oh, what the heck? Try this again. Oh, there we go. It is out. And then, which way are we turning? Clockwise? No. Counterclockwise? Yes. There we go. It's right here. To remove it, turn it counterclockwise. Alright. Oh yeah, will you look at that? It's open circuit right here. This one is H11C. We got some Hyundai. It's gonna work. And here is the part number, guys. I did the same part number. Yep. And when you pick this up, try not to touch the light bulb. Well, I'm wearing gloves, so I'm fine if I touch it, but I'm not going to. Okay. Age 11. Alright. It's gonna go this way. Line it up. Then turn it clockwise. There you go. And then plug the connector back. Alright. Now we can turn them. Alright, the first one is on. It's right there. Now, let's figure out how to do this guy right here. It's a little bit challenging. Oh, my hand can fit. Yeah. Alright. So, oops, this guy's loose. Ah, this one doesn't wanna. Okay. Doesn't wanna stay in there. There you go. Alright, so my hand can fit down here. Press the connector and push it down. There we go. It's out. And let's turn this counterclockwise. Yep. There you go. Open circuit. Oh, this time I open it the right way. Pick it out. There we go. So this guy, just be very careful, guys. I don't know if you guys can be able to see it, but install it this way. Don't drop it. Line it up. And when it flush, turn it clockwise. There you go. Then plug the connector back. There. Easy peasy. Come on, man. Why you're not staying in? There we go. Okay. Let's go ahead and verify them. Cool. Awesome. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day. Oh yeah. Don't forget this one. Here we go. Bye.